Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakani katayau ke Kynhun Independent Committee jong ke Yengshari National Green Tribunal kala Jingïalang hakani kanong ba Shillong haki ars ngi lenter ban ajing mon bat batha Halor ki babon ki benta ki bedai bat ke jingda ya ke Mariang hapo ke Jingïalang jong Justice Retired BP kataki yakani ke Jingïalang la pelong hak arpuar bat arpulai trek mentau naitung arhajar kat kandai bat hak sing sedang jong ke Jingïalang kene ke Kynhun jong ke NGT kala ajing mot ru ya ke sarkar Meghalaya hak bedai bat ke jing petrai kamno ya ke scientific mining hakani ke jela hak beti yu doyong hakani ke Jingïalang hakani ke sing sedang yakani ke Jingïalang lai don lang ru ki officer nakatnat North East Space Application Center ki balapan i ya ki jaka badan udoyong hakani ke jela hak jikran ba Justice Retired BP kateki ulaong ba kumba kalong himenta kalenti banti biang yu doyong nakani ke jela kadai bet tang dakata ka rukam kabalatep hak ktien nongwei kabaong high wall mining omsho dakarat hole mining.
So far as it appears that the high wall mining is the only alternative to this rat hole mining because that is the scientific way of doing the thing. But the problem would be the Honorable Supreme Court has said that the mines belong to the mine owners or the landowners because there are individual landowners or mine owners now. And one landowner may not be in a position to have this scientific way of mining because of the costing part of it. So therefore they have to form a society or maybe cooperative. That is the approach has to be made by the state government because those mine owners and the landowners have to be approached by the state government to introduce this method. If the landowners or the mine owners do not agree, I don't think that scientific way of mining is possible in the state of Meghalaya. They said 130 crore or something like that. That is, for an individual, is not possible. Man.
Okay. That means they have to cut open the...
They have to prepare one strands type thing, maybe 2 kilometers long. Okay. And within these 2 kilometers, there may be 50 mines. What they do, they mine by means of machine. Only the machine goes in.
Okay.
Doesn't require any man to go into it. Okay. So there may be requirement of 3-4 operators. We have asked the state government to explore the possibility and they have to take a decision on that report because ultimately state government has to discuss the matter with the individual land mine owners. Then only it is possible. Though the Supreme Court has said that imposition of ban on the mining is not valid and so therefore that ban has been removed. But the Supreme Court has said that mining cannot be done unless the mining policy is approved by the Government of India. And the compliance of MMDR Act and also the environmental laws. And for the mining policy, the Government of India, to my mind, will accept the mining policy only if it is consistent with the MMDR Act. Otherwise, the Government of India will not do that. The Supreme Court has said that individual coal miners or the coal mine owners have the right to give it on lease. But they cannot give it on lease unless the mining policy they submit and that is scrutinized by the state government and approved by the Government of India.
Haka jekran bat ka Batisi TV ukli jong ka Independent Committee jong ka Yengshari National Green Tribunal u Justice Retired BK kataki ula keren ru Halor ke project ban penkho ya ka ka ba la khle lang bat ka asen Halor kini ke benta na kaliang uniu nong bishar bala song than ha ka Jingïalang ha ka sngi ke baningkong ha kini no ba Shillong ulaong bakala don ru ka jing pasungtho Halor kini ke benta na ka Kynhun Grow Diesel Venture Limited ka banlong ru kum ka jing persang ni kata ka pilot project ban penkho ya ka no kawa ha kini ke jilla Halor kani na kaliang Justice Retired BK kataki ulaong ba na kaliang jo ula batharu ya ka sarkar jilla Meghalaya bakan penkre ya kani ka jing persang ban penkho ya ka no kawa hadin baladap jurep บัด Halor กันเนระดับท่องรู้อยากไว้กับกันโฮนในกับ subcommittee กับบันเคลียร์เดไว้นิกิ officer จงกับ Central Pollution Control Board บัดกิดคอดกินกันทบอยากกิบานนักกับ Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board นักนัด Mining and Geology นักนัด Forest and Environment บัดคิวิเดกิดนัดจงกับสรการจิลา
They want to treat the acidic water in the streams by algae treatment. We have asked them to submit a project report after visiting the site. They have done so, and we have constituted a committee, subcommittee, to be headed by a person from Central Pollution Control Board. There, the representative of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board would be there, Mining and Geology Department representative would be there, Forest Department representative would be there, then Regional Office of MOEF, Ministry of Environment and Forest Government of India would be there. They will scrutinize all the proposals, whatever proposal comes, and thereafter, based on the recommendation to be made by that committee, the Central Pollution Control Board will take a decision. And in the meantime, the Supreme Court has directed diversion of 100 crore from the MREP fund to the Central Pollution Control Board. And that amount, transfer of that amount is under process. And we have also directed the Central Pollution Control Board to chalk out the action plan, how they are proposing to spend this 100 crore. Because that 100 crore has to be spent in the state of Meghalaya only. They cannot divert it. That is the Supreme Court order.